Here it is. Okay, I don't think you guys can hear it. Okay, oh no, there's some red stain. That's okay, there's a box. Okay, next one is green. No, looks like, no, this one looks trouble. Okay, so, like, this one looks really cool. Sorry, I ate too much chips. And, like, you know, like, we have Little Miss memes, toys, plushies. And this one's green, so that's okay, now it's my turn. This is lemonade, so, since we don't know what to call it, I named it, and my sister wanted to name some, and I'm gonna let her know. Okay, this is not bad at all. I put hands on it, it was too gooey. Tell me when you're gonna not use it. Done. Okay. I don't know what like this, but it's orange. Oopsies. Oopsie daisy. Okay, so it's ready. Ouch. Next one is, so this is light green, this is red, this is blue, this is blue, this is green, this is orange, this is yellow, this is pink, and this is nothing, that's pink. Oh wait, this is red, I didn't get it. Okay, now it's the highest thing. Quick fail. Three. Go back. If I didn't think of mewing, if I didn't think of mewing, no one had. I'm just saying it. Okay, what am I making? I just told myself. You just attacked my leg. You just attacked my leg, girl. I'm gonna drink this, That's good.